What's up, YouTube? This is a new filming location because I'm really lazy to set up my tripod on my makeshift desk. So I'm filming off of my TV table desk. If you guys like me filming this way instead, then I will keep this table and film here. But yeah, today we are unboxing the BTS Fake Love / Airplane Part 2 Japanese CD. This is version C because this one came with the photo book, and that's literally the only reason why I bought it. The Japanese albums don't come with photo cards anymore unless I buy like the entire set, but I don't really feel like doing that anymore because I used to literally only buy the regular edition just for the photo cards. But yeah, let's just get into this. So as you can see, these are the 4 songs that are on the album. It's literally right here. And then let's just get into the photo book. So yeah, that's pretty much it for album C. I kind of wish I bought the box because then I would have gotten photo cards and stuff. But at the same time, I've already spent so much money on their Korean merch that I really need to think about what I buy these days instead of trying to buy every little thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.